Every problem in this world has one simple cause, that you care too much about what others think of you. Every problem does have a solution. Life looks complex because you make it so. The only way to find happiness is to have the courage to be disliked. The courage to be liked also includes the courage to be disliked, because always seeking an external validation has a dead end. Whatever be the past of a person, everyone has the potential to be happy. Do you know our brain, our emotions, our conscious or unconscious thoughts guide us towards a goal? Whatever we think, whatever we do is directed towards achieving that goal, whether you are aware of it or not. Your goals doesn't only affect your happiness, but they shape who you are. They drive you towards the sense of your true self. Your emotions, your habits, your thoughts shape your lifestyle. And you continue to pursue them, you continue to follow them because you think that's the way to achieve your goals. Many researchers say that there is nothing like antisocial behavior. People who have this antisocial behavior choose it to achieve certain goals. Like, actually, your goals influence your actions. For example, if someone wants a job and becomes so anxious that he couldn't prepare for the interview or couldn't even attend that, his true goal was to avoid the interview. He was trying to avoid the risk of failing, and his fear helped him in that. If he truly wanted that job, he would have avoided that anxiety and prepared for that interview. The goal you set sets the true sense of yourself, and your overall happiness is decided by the goal you set to improve your relationship with others. Whenever you interact with anyone, you have two goals in your mind. Either you want to have an approval from them, or you want to give a positive impact upon their life. The unhappy people choose taking approval from them as their main goal. People who are unhappy, they believe that if they are liked by others, they are a good person. Even most of the people say that seeking others' validations and approvals is a human nature. But it is a mistaken view. Indeed, it is. Because when you seek other people's approval, you live according to someone else's expectations. You sacrifice your freedom, you sacrifice your happiness in the process. Then why do we choose to live in that unfree way? Probably because we want to be recognized by those people, and then we seek their approval. You'll be okay if they dislike you if you aren't seeking approval from them, if you don't want to be recognized by them. Because no matter whatever you do, everyone isn't gonna like you. So at least do something for yourself that at least you yourself like yourself. Forget about others. Because when you don't stand up to others' expectations, you start building self hatred. You start seeing flaws in your own self. Imagine if it would be the last moment of your life. You'll regret that you haven't lived your life to the fullest. You spent your whole life living according to someone else's expectations. You didn't have guts to be yourself. And then those unhappy people create a competitive environment for themselves. Like, you can't have all the qualities all together, like being good at sports, being good at studies, being intelligent, being generous, being funny, being socially popular. Everything doesn't come all together. But if someone else's excel in one of the zone, they consider other person as their competitor. They fear of their success because they think that those people raised their standards to achieve the same approval. They fear of their success, and they celebrate their failures instead of supporting them in their failures. If they want, it is their time. It doesn't mean that your time won't come. Your time is yet to come.